And welcome. This is That Shakespeare Life. I'm Cassidy Cash, and did you know that in Elizabethan England, having black teeth was actually considered fashionable? Let's find out more right now on That Shakespeare Life. It's true. Sugar was new to England in this time period during Shakespeare's life. They had just brought this over and it was highly fashionable, but it was also super expensive. It was crazy expensive to get sugar. So if your teeth were black or rotting, it meant that you had eaten a lot of sugar. And this may sound weird, but that meant that you could afford sugar if your teeth were black and rotting because you were obviously wealthy if you were eating a lot of this really expensive ingredient. So having these nasty teeth made you look like a wealthy person. Some people went so far as to rub soot ash on their teeth to make them look black and basically put makeup on their teeth to make them look rotten because they wanted to look more wealthy than they actually were. Ooh, I don't know about that. And to even go further, their version of the toothbrush included things like powdered eggshells, burnt rosemary, and even like taking a rag and rubbing it on their teeth. Toothpicks to get the food out from between your teeth were made of wood or silver. They were very common, and some folks even tied these to their clothes, like and wore them fashionably as like, look, I have an expensive toothpick. It wasn't exactly Crest or Colgate or toothpaste that you might be familiar with, but this was how oral care was done for Shakespeare's lifetime. If you want to go even deeper to the world of Tudor toothpaste, toothpicks, and early toothbrushes, you can check out episode 334 of That Shakespeare Life with Laura Kennedy, where we go over Elizabethan oral care and even talk about how Shakespeare might have cleaned his teeth. You can check that out in the link below this video. That's it for this week. Thank you for watching. I'm Cassidy Cash, and I hope you learned something new about the Bard. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.